I was working a full-time job, I had to take a few months off. And of course, that paycheck also took some time off. That paycheck was like, you ain't showing up, I ain't showing up. But what if I had created at least one passive income stream that could have still been paying me even during that time off? Since creating passive income, I've made the most money I've ever had working the least I ever have. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing the 6 ways that I've made passive income and how I've been able to make money each and every day. Now, if you are serious about building passive income, you do need to understand that you are going to have to put the work in up front so that you can set yourself up to get paid daily so that your money begins to work for you. If you're new here, I'm Latoya Nicole, and I have built a multiple 6-figure coloring book business on Amazon KDP, which slides us right into passive income idea number 1. In my opinion, Amazon KDP is one of the easiest ways to make passive income. If y'all hear snoring in the background, you're just gonna have to excuse it. Cause child, I guess she's so tired. It's okay, baby. Sleep away. I know she got a full-time job. Okay, but yeah, Amazon KDP is one of the easiest ways, in my opinion, to create passive income, and you can do it from anywhere in the world, even as a beginner. And get this, you can start for absolutely free. So if you go to kdp.amazon.com, you'll see Kindle Direct Publishing, which is what KDP stands for. So this is the platform that I have published my coloring books like these on. And so the way Amazon KDP works is you upload your cover, front and back is all one file. And you also upload your interior. And then Amazon creates a listing just like this so that customers can purchase your book. Once a customer purchases, then KDP prints and ships your book directly to the customer, and you don't have to deal with any customer service. So for example, I list this one book for sale and make money over and over off of this book. So you do the work up front, and then you set yourself up for the potential to get paid daily. Now, when I started publishing coloring books on KDP in 2018, I hired an illustrator to create my artwork that goes inside of the book as well as on the cover. But now you can use AI to create your coloring book illustrations much faster. All you need is a tool like Canva AI or Midjourney. You can even generate coloring book images using ChatGPT. So if you're interested in creating a coloring book to sell on Amazon KDP, I'll leave the link in the description to a full step-by-step tutorial below. So I was like, since my books are selling so well on Amazon KDP, let me look into other options that Amazon may have as well so I could create some more products to sell on Amazon. And so if you follow this channel, you know I talk all about growing and expanding your Amazon KDP business, which leads me into the second passive income idea I use to make money daily, which is Amazon FBA. So if you search on Google for Amazon FBA, you'll be brought to the homepage. Now, this is a business that I started after Amazon KDP, and I still get sales every day. These are examples of sellers on Amazon, and you can use Amazon FBA to expand your business by creating complementary items like these. So since I sell coloring books, I created these skin tone coloring pencils as a complementary item. But let's say you sell journals and you want to create inspirational or motivational pens to complement your journal. Or maybe you want to even include an option for your customers to have spiral bound journals because KDP doesn't offer that at this time. So the way this works is you can use sites like Alibaba and do a search for your product and outsource it and create it to have the product either shipped directly to you and then you ship the product to Amazon FBA, or you can have the product shipped directly from your manufacturer to Amazon FBA. Now, FBA means fulfilled by Amazon. So just like with KDP, Amazon ships directly to your customer and handles all of the customer service. Now, as a disclaimer, Amazon FBA is not as easy to start as Amazon KDP. Because like I said earlier, you can start Amazon KDP for absolutely free. But one of the main differences between Amazon FBA and Amazon KDP is that with FBA, the profit margins are usually bigger. So that is more money that you get to keep. And also remember, the harder something is to create, the less competition is that you will have. Now, before I get into the third passive income idea, if you like this type of content, leave a comment below saying, let's get it. Also, let me know where you're watching from. All right, so this next passive income stream is something that most people sleep on when it comes to making money online, but in real life, they do it all the time for free. And that is called affiliate marketing. So online is called affiliate marketing, but in everyday life, it's called a referral. I called somebody recently and I was like, hey, who was that person that did your taxes last time that you said you loved? And of course, they gave me the information. So affiliate marketing is just as simple as that. But what most people don't know is that almost every single company that you shop at has an affiliate marketing program. So the way I do this is by inserting my affiliate link in my YouTube channel description. So if I use a product that I think would be helpful for you, for example, like Canva. I use Canva all the time as a design tool, creating my covers, putting my book covers together, putting my interior pages together, and even my product mock-ups for FBA. So I'll explain to you how Canva can also help you do this. And then I'll also drop my link in the description for you to click when you sign up for a Canva account. So if you find a way to post content about your business using YouTube, for example, which you should be using anyway, especially if you sell books, you got to get your content out there. But yeah, if you use YouTube, you could definitely use affiliate links to make some additional passive income. Now, if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing to create passive income, I will put the link in the description to a free step-by-step tutorial that I created that can help you get started. All right, so piggybacking off of idea number 3, idea number 4 is creating content that pays you through social media platforms like YouTube. So I know in idea number 3, we talked about affiliate marketing and how you can put your affiliate links in your description under your YouTube video. But with your YouTube videos, you can also start earning AdSense where Google pays you when someone watches an ad on your video. Side note, I made $20,000 last year on YouTube from posting one video a week. And I didn't even know that was possible. So I started on YouTube giving out free information, still give out free information on YouTube. But now I actually make money on the side as well. I don't know, I might need to do YouTube full time. But I'm saying all that to say, you need to start a YouTube channel in 2025. So essentially, you want to choose a niche. For example, education is a profitable niche on YouTube. So if you publish on KDP and you want to teach others how to publish, or if you have some other skill that you want to teach, take that iPhone out and press record, sis. Let's get it. Because videos can keep getting views year after year, and you can keep getting paid once you are monetized. So if you're interested in starting your YouTube channel, which can also help you market your books and pay you on the back end, I have another step-by-step tutorial on that as well, and I'll leave the link in the description. The next passive income stream I use to generate money is digital products. For example, one of my digital products is printable coloring pages. So in addition to selling coloring books on KDP, I have my own website that I created using Shopify, link in the description. See how I threw in that referral? So let me show you an example. So I added the link in this video description for you to sign up. And so you would just go ahead and put in your email address to get started, and then click on start free trial. You will get your first month for free, and then you'll get your next 3 months for just $1. And then it's gonna bring you to this page. So you can put I'm just starting and go ahead and fill out the rest. I'm gonna go ahead and click skip all. And then you'll go ahead and select your region and hit next. And then it will start building your store for you. And so this is gonna be your back end where you'll be setting everything up. You'll see add a product button here, or you can actually come here to the products tab and you'll be able to add a product here as well. From there, you can add the digital product that you want to sell and go ahead and create your listing. But printable coloring pages is just one way that I do this. You could also do printable trackers, printable to-do lists, printable social media templates. Other types of printables that I offer for authors and self-publishers are printable templates. These are all things that someone could get sent directly to their email address so that they can go ahead and use immediately. And you can use a Shopify app called Digital Downloads to send the file directly to the customer. You don't have to ship a thing when the customer makes a purchase because the app automatically emails them their purchase. This is the exact same process you would use for ebooks or any other type of digital product. So if you're interested in this income stream, I got you covered. Link in the description for my free video that you can use to create a digital product even as a beginner. So last but not least, I create online courses. So after I created my coloring books, people started asking me, how can they create coloring books? So I created a course teaching them step by step how they can create their own coloring books to sell on KDP. Now this kind of ties in with starting on YouTube in that if you have something that you can teach someone, your skills, your education, anything that can solve someone's problem, then you can put that information into a course and sell it. Now courses do require a lot of work up front, but once it's created, just like with all of the other passive income ideas, you can continue to make money from it over and over. I literally be making money in my sleep because once I create the course, it doesn't require me to do anything and people can purchase it at any time. Now it does require maintenance. You do want to make sure the courses are up to date, but it doesn't require you to like put in 40 hours a week. So for this, you would just use the same Shopify app, which is called Digital Downloads, to sell your course. And you can even use a course platform on Shopify to sell your course. From the apps tab, you would just search for courses. And then once you look at the reviews and everything, you would just choose the one that would best fit your needs. So yeah, those are my 6 passive income ideas that I currently use to get paid daily. Hopefully they help you get started with at least one of them, or maybe even all of them. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget, I'll leave the free step-by-step videos that'll help you get started in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so that I know to keep putting out more content like this. Until next time, bye-bye.